This is Apmex silver coins. This is the Kennedy, the Eagle, and the Buffalo rounds that they offer. This is some of the things that you can do. This is some of the investments we've made as a company. The cost of it was $645 for the Kennedys, $479.68 for the Eagles, $3,729.60 for the rounds, for a total of $4,854.52. They had insurance of about $110 for all that, about $15 for the Kennedys, about $11 for the Eagles, $84.46 for the rounds. And the total cost was about $5,000 that we had. Look at the coins we bought. There's 254 total coins we had there. Break-even price there was $11.26 for the Kennedys, $18.45 for the Eagles, $23.21 for the silver rounds, for a total of break-even price of $17.64. The break-even price is the minimum you have to sell it for to get your money back. As you buy more or get more cost averaging, so to speak, it's usually less. And the total cost was about $5,000. We've had it for about 2 years now. And 254 coins. And the current sale price, you can look that up on Apmex site, or just about any Kiko site, or just about anybody's Eagle or silver pricing. Look at that, and you kind of say, okay, well, the Eagles and the silver rounds. Okay, you had about 240 silver rounds. You had about 60 silver Eagles. You had about 60 big Kennedys. So that just goes to show you that, okay, you had 26 Eagles. You had almost 3 times the amount of Kennedys, but it cost only a little bit more than the Eagles. So the Kennedys aren't really worth a lot of intrinsic value to people. You have your profit and loss and so forth, the current net value at the time, the current sale price. But that's what you want to figure out, is your current profit and loss, your current values, what your break-even price would be, all of those sorts of things. You come down here and you look at your rounds and your silver Eagles and you say, okay, what are those going to cost me? What is that insurance? You got to remember the insurance. You got to remember any costs that they charge you to do the sending of it for you, for the shipping and so forth, back and forth. In certain cases, some of them don't do the shipping, don't charge you for shipping. But you always got to remember that they're going to charge you more than the spot price that you see, like on television or whatever they have for silver. It's going to be more than that for selling it to you. It's going to be less than that for buying it from you, because they want to make a profit. That's how they make their profit, is on that bid and ask difference. So they're going to sell it to you for more than that spot price shows, usually about 20% more, or they're going to buy it from you at less than that spot price, usually about 10% less or so. Just depends on the company. So you have an idea like Gold Dealer, the Kitco, or Apmex. They do Kennedys and rounds and so forth. If you want to look it up on eBay, for example, the 1964 Kennedy Bregan uncirculated was $10.95 a coin at the time. Therefore, if you say, okay, 20 coins, $10.95, you're talking $300 and so forth. Talking 60 coins, it's about $657 there. You have a $10 face value for 20 coins. That's 50 cents per coin face value. But then you have up here, you see the cost was $645. So you say, all right, 60, that's about $10 per coin, but your face value is 50 cents. So it's, what would it be? $100 times as much as what it's worth or better. Now you have some of the basics of the Kennedy, Eagle, and Silver Buffalo rounds. Down below is the Dow Jones Industrial and the gold spot and the silver spot. We'll explain those later. If we go into the next lecture, we'll explain those. We'll talk about what the gold and silver ratio mean and your current net value for your silver up here. You look at your current net value and you look at your cost and see what the difference is. Obviously, what current net value be more than your total cost. If it ever is, it's making money. Right now, it was lost almost $500 for 6.5% at the time. I'm going to move on to the next lecture, guys.